everyone, Sword Machine here, and today we're gonna be cooking. Yippee! That's right, welcome to my new cooking show. I have gotten myself in terrible debt by buying this brand new establishment. Let's serve our first customer. Let's see what this guy wants. Hello, yes, I'll take this burger. Bitch, why did you even come here? I don't know, man. I just wanted a burger. For this, we're gonna need the help of my little assistant. Say hello. Let's go get the meat. Here you go, buddy. Many other air to perfection. Next, we'll carefully pick fresh ingredients. Tomatoes and lettuce are the key to a quality burger. Time to get them up. Fast and effective cuts are what you will want. Nice and clean. Just get the bread and we're ready to go. Gently do the lettuce, stick, and tomato inside. What the fuck are you doing? Finally, we'll need a clean plate. This one should be good enough. Time to serve. Shit. Stupid fucking. Took you long enough. It's probably gold at this point. Also, that'll be $4.99. The fuck is a dollar?